Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a friend on TikTok Now. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the TikTok Now application. So if you don't have it, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go again and open your TikTok Now application. Then of course you would like to go and log in into your account, but if you don't have an account, just go and sign in or create an account, sign up or create an account, then log in into it. Or you can just go log in or sign in with your TikTok account. So of course you can link them, both of them together. So you can use your TikTok account on your TikTok Now application. So let me just go here and open my TikTok Now application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So that will actually be your home or your main screen on the TikTok Now application. And of course, if you don't know what does TikTok Now does or what is TikTok Now application, you would like to go and check one of our videos on the channel. It will explain to you the TikTok Now application. So of course, if you know Be Real, it's more like him. Or like it's not like him. Anyway, it's more like a Be Real application if you know it. Anyway, as we said, if you want to add a friend on TikTok Now, all you need to do, of course, you have the option of adding your contacts. So you can just go and click at find. Of course, you will need to allow your contacts from here, and then actually just search of friends on your contacts. Of course, if you don't want to add friends from your contacts, just go and click at the middle icon, at the bottom middle icon. So of course that will actually give you the option of adding a friend. So of course just go here and search people by their name. Of course, like I don't know, maybe the name of your friend is Harry. So just go and add whatever friend you have here by just clicking at the follow option, and that's how you actually like add friends on the TikTok Now application. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.